The entire continent's been eaten by zombies. We're the only two alive. We don't know where to get out, we don't know where we're going. We might die. It's true.
It really is true.
There might be ghosts around as well. Magical ghost faces.
There's not even ghosts. There's not even trams around. There's no one.
There's no one. Look.
Oh.
There's nobody around here.
Can I have the urge to grab a weapon?
Quick,
I want a crowbar, please.
must be careful. Quick, zombies, no! Or are they normal? Actually, if you walk past them really slowly, they won't notice.
Let's do the Shaun of the Dead thing. Like, no, it doesn't go anywhere, does it? We could. Let's try. There's nothing to lose except our brains.
And my feet.
But actually, it's like his hands kept turning into birds.
Nothing to lose but my hands, they will fly away.
Your feet keep turning into pythons. Pythons.
See, they didn't notice us. I have no idea what we're doing. But it's quite fun. Maybe we'll carry on doing choice.
Yeah, well, what kind of choice? Which clothes shop we want to look at?
Yeah, exactly. They just
Spandauballet, as I use.
Spandauballet.
It's one of the parts of Berlin called Spandau.
They're just teasing now. You can buy food here when we can be asked to sell it to you.
If we were open, we would give you something. But since we're not,
tough. You can just look at the shiny pictures. My feet are sore now.
but they're not shiny. They're like diet food, which I
Yeah, but it's not out of a pot, which is cooked with boiling water from the kettle.
slightly boiling water.
Slightly boiling water. Oh, is she shot?
In the 2 cups we have.
Yeah, but we have to rinse out each one also.
With the 1 fork we brought.
Yeah.
And the 1 knife.
The one knife.
So kind of
So I have
sad,
a
really.
fork. Oh, my feet really hurt.
Thirsty. But hungry, actually.
Yeah.
But,
Oh no.
so it's a train station.
Station
No,
there.
that's the NEC station.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not internet.
But it is a perfect location for a zombie movie, isn't it?
It totally
It's like
is.
28 days later. 28 cons later.
Lying on the floor. And
They're non-conners. I just kind of like the way my brain works.
Oh, fucking wind.
You just put on a burst of speed.
Did I?
It's like, food.
Walking twice as fast.
Your legs just got an inch longer.
Yeah. Oh, food.
Okay.
Subway.
We will survive. We don't have to eat brains. Ah. But there's no booze. We came here to buy booze, you remember?
Station.